Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? Market is opening in a little bit. Arctic Lucas. Hello, my friend. How are you doing? Come on in. Come on in, hitting the likes. Yeah. Very good. And you, market is open. Market is open. Let's see where it opened. Almost no gap. Oh, interesting daily chart. A break of 295 can send us like way higher, man. Or a pullback all the way to the 90 MA. The two things can happen. Let's see what the market is going to tell us. Yes, dropping. Russell dropping, gold. Yeah, almost zero pullbacks on everything. Interesting that NQ is above EMAs. Yeah, NQ is probably closing that gap real quick. And it truth, my friend. Lucas, I'm very good, and you, how you doing? Let me do the not much action on the first candle, actually. Not much action on the first candle, my friends. Welcome aboard, my friends. Welcome aboard. First trading day of the week. First minutes of the week. Let's see what can we get out of the market, bro. Let's see what can we get out of the markets. Almost trying to take a short right here, actually. Should we be selling? Thinking short too, Money Mike? Yeah, it's a complicated decision to take a short right here, but maybe it's a good one. The YM. I need one red candle. One red candle on the 1 minute. Depending how it closes, I'm taking a short. Who knows why we are going up? Who actually knows, my brother? I don't care why. Just know we are going up. We have this little order block right here, guys. This is a very interesting spot for a target. Let's see if we can get there. On the 1 hour, this means like another 70 points up. Let's see the 1 minute. Only green candles so far. Only green candles so far. I'm enjoying the shorts, so have a like 20-point stop. Let's see if we try to test the view up, and if we break down. If we squeeze up, it's a 20-point stop. Well, not even a 20-point, it's a 10-point stop. It's not even a 20-point stop. A little short to start the day. I want to see price like squeezing through VWAP. I don't want to see like a rejection. Let's see. Took me out. The ES is squeezing highs, and Q is holding a little bit. I'll try to trade like the continuation of this, because the ES seems like it's breaking up. The Russell seems like it's breaking up. So I'll try to stay long at 190. Like, we are above EMAs, we are above everything, so might as well try to stay long on the trade. Let's see if he continues up. But there's not much range. Like, it's like 25 points, 30 points, 32 points, something like that. What's the ticker on this? MNQ. What's up, Ortiz? How you doing, my friend? Yeah, there's not much range right now. The ES is still squeezing. There's an important level of on ES A12. It's a 200 DMA, so gotta be careful with that. But the Russell looks good. Almost breaking the Friday's high. The Russell looks good. Like a full-blown continuation on Russell. The hype channel, the market is dead right now. Out here in the markets, are you inside the markets? Oh my god, how high was that? Let's go for the sweep of the highs, my brother. Can we get the continuation? Can we get the continuation? I want this candle to close above this high, because if it doesn't do that, like, it's just a rejection of the sweep. If you can, hit the like button right now. Like, you already know you need to do that. It's just one time. Doesn't hurt, my brother. Yeah, I would like very much to see this continue. This is a higher low right now, so a candle close below this makes me understand that we have a market structure shifting. So I will not tolerate a break below 185. I'll probably get out. Like, it's not much risk, but like, yeah, this is a rejection of the sweep of highs. Like, this is not good. This is not good. We're starting to see a little bit of a rejection on the 5, on the upper side of the candles also. The 15 minutes at least is going to close like a very green candle. I guess I could put the stop loss at the low of the 15-minute candle. Like, this is a 25-point stop. Yeah. Anywhere in between this is I'm just going to get swept out. I guess that's it. Now it's a matter of waiting. Huh, you covered for a massive 5-point gain. Like, nice. Let's see if we continue. If we break above this, is a break of the 15-minute orb. Let's see what it does. Okay, at least it looks like it wants to continue, you know? Yeah, it's not looking good right now. I wanted like a nicer continuation. Yeah, this is not a good opening. Sunday opening, yeah. Very, very slow. Volume will come, yeah. Good afternoon, Chima. How you doing? Everything good? If he breaks this high, I'm probably adding to the trade. What a horrible volume. Playing some RS3 on the side. Yeah, looks like a good thing to do. Looks like the right thing to do. Bob, how you doing, my friend? What's good, man? What's good in this weekend for you guys? Long until 244. Hopium at play. Yeah. Yeah. If there's a continuation on the orb of the 15-minute, you're probably going to get that. Like right now, nobody knows. Like it's too low. Probably then it's the volume's only coming back on the next 1 hour. On the next 1 hour, you know. That's when the volume is probably coming back. Or something happens. Like I'm with financial juice on. There's nothing going on there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, go for it, brother. It's just nothing going on right now. Dum. Come on, where's the volume? Let's break the 50-minute orb to the upside. If it breaks, I'm adding to the trade. How was Friday, man? Like you guys traded through Friday. I look a little bit here and there, but I didn't trade Friday. Nothing happening again. Sean, hello. Yeah, I'm having a great Sunday, brother. Oh, you held longs on Friday? Nice. Nice. Friday was a good one. 7-ish up on another. Nice. Yeah, judging by the 5-minute, you got like a very sideways market at the start. Rejected highs. Kind of broke like a structure here. Like this. You know? Broke the structure down. And continue down. Nice money, Mike. Yeah, this volume is too low. What's my usual PT? TP or PT? When there is a woman. Yeah. Yeah, you can see by like the volume here is dead. It's basically dead. Price is not even ticking. Yeah, this is probably like let's see what happens on the new one 1 hour. Like the first half hour is passing right now. Let's see what happens on the new 1 hour. Okay, Bob. And now you have 200 left. Another 5 evals. Ah, that's nice. Yeah, evals, you're not gonna pass them all. Some you're going to blow up. Some you're going to pass. That's normal. You need to have like a batting average. A nice batting average. Don't cry over. We'll get it all back one day. That's for sure, my brother. That's for sure. Can it break to the upside, guys? Can it break? Bro, it's dead. It's actually dead. You do this for fun? Okay. Five. Yeah. A little bit of sellers incoming. I'm probably going to close this. More sellers than I like to. Yeah, got out. Like, there's more sellers than I like to on ES and Russell, so maybe I can find a better entry. Like, ES is breaking VWAP, the Russell is breaking VWAP. NASDAQ is the only one holding. I might as well get out and wait for a new opportunity. Okay. If it goes without me, tough luck, my brother. If it goes without me, tough luck. Yeah. Bro, this volume is untradeable. Like, there is no way. There is no way, actually. Like, it is untradeable. I'm going back in. Yeah, sellers again. Bro, you guys are quiet on the chat. What you guys doing, bro? Bro, it's not going nowhere. Yeah, beautiful price action, guys. Congratulations to all of you that made this happen. You know? Congratulations to all of you, actually. That made this possible. I think that at some point it's going to continue a squeeze up, but like it's prompting a breakout. Like this is a breakout pattern, but like it doesn't look good to see through it. It does not look good. Look at this price section. Are you guys trading more evals or more funded right now? What are you guys doing? Yeah, nothing's happening. It's not a good season. Yeah, but nothing happens. Nothing happens. New 15-minute closing. Very sideways. I'll try to buy at the break if it breaks to the upside. Pat, you have 6 funded right now. Hoping to have 10 by the end of the week. Good luck, my brother. Hope you get it all. I hope you get it all, my friend. Yeah, I'm trading the TPTs right now and my funded futures. I got the last payout of the apexes, so I'm going to give it a time on the apexes. Try to focus on funded next, TPT and my funded futures. Any good vids on how to learn level 2 data? Bro, I have no idea. Zero, actually. I have actually zero idea, bro. Come on. Squeeze highs. I know you can do it. Well, imagine if I got in on that 88 level. Yeah, this lack of continuation, it's what kills me, bro. I'm long, brother. I'm long. Let's see if it goes. I'm long, bro. Looking good right now. Can't say otherwise. Looking good right now. Feel the vibe, man. Feel the music. Feel the vibe. You know? Gotta trust it. Gotta trust it. This next candle is going to have continuation, you know? I know it's going to happen. You gotta trust it, you know? No, now it's just a matter of waiting. This is a 100% guaranteed. A partial takeout at 225. Just before this order block right here. Can you guys see it? No, it's for real. Like, if it breaks a candle below VWAP and closes, there's no reason for me to stay in a trade then. Like, this is for real now. Like, it either goes or I stop out the trade, you know? Nice. Go, bro, give me like a nice green candle, you know? Give me a nice green one. $225. Just a nice squeeze to 225. Oh, man. Yeah, looks like we can get continuation right now. Yeah, I'm aiming for that 225. Let's see if we get there. This right here just became an order block. Let's see if we continue. I'll suffer with the volatility of the new 1 hour for sure. For sure, no doubt. It's going to drag price around, like because of the volume. 100% drag price around. Awful. Awful price action, guys. Untradeable price action, actually. But let's see if we can find something. Bro, who's making money today? Leo, how long usually does it take you to pass an eval? Depends, like on TPT and other prop firms that needs like more than 1 day to pass. I try to pass like in 1 or 2 weeks. That's what I try to do. I take my time. Because like it's expensive evals, you know? But like on Apex, I try to pass on the same day. Like on TPT, my funded futures, funded NASDAQ, I try to take my time. Like if I pass it in 2 weeks, I have no problem with it. Like you just have to get in like in eval mode in your head and know that it takes a little bit of time. And that's okay. Mr. War Daddy. You just added on? Okay. Yeah, bro, I'm hopeful with this new 1 hour volatility. Let's see what it does. Like it's 1 minute from now. I just hope it doesn't sweep me out all the way down there. Because then it's going to be like a little nasty, but let's see. No guarantees, bro. No guarantees. That's the game. There is no guarantees, brother. Yeah, if it breaks up, it's even better. If it breaks to the upside, it's even better. Yeah, it's a mega green first 1 hour. Let's see. I'm betting on that we are not breaking the low. That's basically it right now. Not even the new 1 hour brought volatility, bro. Like, that's crazy. Each Total's won the war for the 96th time, yeah. Basically, that's what we need. We need something good. At least we are going with the trend, you know? Like, it's pointing up, like, for now. Like, there's... What else can we do? Bro, price is not even ticking. Not even moving. Like, how crazy is that? Like, it's it's not even ticking, bro. Oh man, how crazy is that? Like, I didn't expect this. Like, this is a true no bueno, bro. This is a true no bueno. Let's go. Maybe now it's the time. The slowest trade of my life, bro. The slowest trade of my life. It's watching like paint dry. Just like watching paint dry, bro. No joke. What you guys do like when the market's doing this? Like when it's doing nothing? 'Oh, nice, Bob. How's it going? %80 done, nice. Oh, brother, this is not looking good, man. Like, there's actually nothing going on right now. That's crazy, man. Right, bro. Like, what we do? What do we do, bro? What would you guys do? What you guys recommend right now? Like, Leo, like, I would recommend you do this. Like, what would you guys recommend? Once it's done, put some this one that can make a ninja trade, but I'll forward it over to all formats. Nice, man. Nice. Coffee? Oh, that would be a good one. Like, but it's like 8 p.m. already for me. Like, I shouldn't be drinking coffee right now. Like, what's up, FEMA? How you doing, my friend? How was the weekend? How's PA? PA is dead, bro. Like, actually dead. Like, it's horrible at the moment. Oh, it's already midnight for you, Bob. You're in Europe or something? Asia at 9:30. Okay. 2 a.m. FEMA? Bro, what are you doing awake right now, bro? UK, Bob? Nice. Oh, is Asia at 9:30? I don't think so. Like, I think the next 1 hour is when Japan opens, if I'm not mistaken. It's morning for you? Okay. Like, how is it morning at 2 a.m.? Oh, yeah, your sleep schedule is not bueno, probably. Yeah, bro. Like, now we are getting like a little bit of sellers right here. Yes, it's not looking good. This is not looking good right now. Holding this long for like an hour now. More than an hour, actually. What are the chances we get like another big green candle? Like minimal. Like it's minimal. The chances are minimal. In 45 minutes, Japan and Korea. Yeah. We'll open in 1.5 hours. After that, China. Okay. Understood. Then we'll have more movement, but after an opening, we should have some good movement. Yeah. Never short a dull market. Plays out gonna hold this long. Let's see. Never short a dull market. Yeah, seems like a good advice, especially because it's like it works with what I'm doing right now. So Japan opens in 40 minutes, and then 1.5 hours after that it's China. So that makes sense. Hey Leo, watched the classic yesterday, and one of the actors remind me a lot of you. If you grow your hair out, you're gonna look just like Danny Trejo. Bro, that guy's ugly as, you know? Like, if that's a compliment, bro, you're like, you're I'm catching strays over that, bro. I'm not, I don't look Mexican that much, bro. Reminiscing of Friday. Yeah, now I'm with 3 micros. I shouldn't be holding this like way down. 20 points is max what I should hold, because then it becomes like a very bad trade. Who knows? If this squeezes down, I'm probably getting wrecked. Danny Trejo is a badass. Not saying that he's not a badass, just saying that he's ugly, bro. Yeah, thank you, ELG. Thank you. Like, someone defend me on chat. Defend me on chat, bro. I'm like, I know I look just like, you know, Leonardo DiCaprio or something. You guys just won't admit it, you know? I know you guys just won't admit. Like, that's the reality of it. Like, you know, Antonio Banderas or something. Maybe going for a gap close. Like, I wouldn't trust that. Nice. Got a little 10-pointer on that 1 micro, just out of the order block that formed on the 5. Let's see if we can get like a 25-point squeeze, man. Like, who knows? Like, I'm going, it's too much, 25 points. Like, I cannot believe it. Like, is 25 points too much? Yeah, so the actual Asia session, like, starts with Japan, you know? Like, it's 2 hours after. Like, that's where the actual Asia session starts. Like, we haven't had a blip on financial juice. We haven't had a blip on financial juice, bro.
Hello, Leo. Can I yap with you in the voice chat?
Oh, yeah, my friend. How you doing? Everything's good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Trying to reanimate my evil.
Oh, she's hanging by a thread or something?
What?
Is she like, there's not much drawdown left?
Yeah. Like at 800. I opened now long with 5 micros. I guess it can like a little bit help.
Okay.
Trying to do full porting, but not risky full porting. I don't know how to explain this.
Okay. Trying to find a nice trade to take with more micros, more contracts. And that's it. A little bit, some buyers on ES right now. At least we got the rejection of that order block. Looks like we're still holding up. 20 points before Tokyo is a lot. Okay. Yeah, 1/2. Like, let's see if I can get like just like a little sweep of highs, maybe. Maybe then. If 20 points is too much. Or are we too late for that?
Did some bad decisions at the market close at Friday.
Why? Why were you trading market close on a Friday, brother?
It was like, I don't know how to say this word. I was like in profit in 200 and I was like, bruh, I can, like, you know.
Your voice is a little bit like... Oh. Your voice is a little robotic, bro.
Maybe because I play Minecraft, let me close it. Now it's better?
A little bit.
Yeah, I was like, I was in profit 200 and I was like, bruh, I need more profit. Like, I don't know. Like the wise thing, it was just close and like wait for a new week and continue trading normally.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I just wanted to like as far as possible do more profits and like risk more and like so I just lose 1,000.
Okay.
And you know, then you have the revenge trading, the over leverage, and you so like bro.
Yeah, on the end of the day on a Friday, like nothing good can come out of that, bro. Like,
Yeah, it's never good also at the market on close, like after the close. It's like just a gambling. Low liquidity, big moves. And like I don't know.
okay.
I'm glad that MFF just closed me, cause like it closed me at 11 and 10 minutes, like in my time.
Okay.
Just like 10 minutes after the close. So like it saved me from over leveraging and just blow. So I just didn't blow my account, so it's like a blessing. Well, now I need a little bit of try to recover my account and learn from mistakes. And the most important thing is to be okay with profit, like 200 profit. I don't need chase PNL. Like, bruh, just be consistent. Don't chase PNL.
Yeah.
But bad decisions.
My wife just suggested you have a slight Hispanic family Hirsching and that he's not ugly. So I think it was a compliment. Okay. Okay, David. I trust you, my brother.
New 30-minute candle. Leo, do you familiar with mindfulness and meditations? Like all this practice?
No, not much.
Okay.
Oh, my wife's cooking something. No brainer, Leo in here on a Sunday night. Let's go. No brainer. But yeah, like are you Brazilian? Yeah, 1/2. I'm Brazilian, bro. I am, my friend. Yeah, no brainer. We are here with this awful price action. Chocobone, what's up? What's up, my friend? How you doing? How was the weekend?
It looked like it forming a wedge.
Who knows what it's forming, bro? Yeah, it's no brainer. This is terrible. I'm in a long for the last like 1.5 hours. Like if it takes me out at 210, would be good, because then like the trade is 100% closing in a green state. But I guess Japan will bring us volatility. I wouldn't like to hold this trade through the opening of Japan. Like, would not be good. I'm also afraid of getting out and like it just starts squeezing up. Zicker trading, check oil, tell me what you see. Like on what time frame, bro? Like you want me like on the 1 hour, 5 minute, daily? Like it's different approach depending on what time frame. Chocobone, you're bearish. Yeah, at some point we're going to get like a bearish movement between now and tomorrow. So like who knows? 1 hour and 5 minutes. Yeah, the 5 minute looks like nothing. Like it's sideways. Went up, went down, and it's at halfway of the range. Like it's pointing nowhere. On the 1 hour, looks like a little channel, something like this. But it's coming from a movement up. Like I on the 1 hour, I would actually look like, I don't know, something like this, to see if it breaks, to continue on a new leg up. That's what I'll probably look for on the 1 hour. But oil is mega like sideways overall. It's overall mega sideways. Like we are at the half point of the range that formed. Like we are right in the middle of between this high and this low. We are right in the middle. Like even on the 4 hour, like you could be looking for something like this, you know, a little bear flag on the 1 hour to break and continue up, try to find new levels. If you lose this 200, then it's probably dropping like crazy. TUDU, hello Pasha, hello my friend. My name is Leo. Like Pasha is the other dude, but Pasha works as well. You're new to the channel, welcome in. It's this Asia market at this time of day, yeah. Like on the in 24 minutes we get Japan and Korea opening. And 1.5 hours after that, I've been told that China opens. So you will get more volatility. I'm just trading this because sometimes the first 2 hours of Asia on a Sunday, you have like a lot of volatility. But I guess this time we won't have, so. You're learning how to trade futures? Okay. Yeah, bro, follow the channel. You will learn something, probably. No problem. Zikr trading. When do you stream? My stream opens like every pre-market of New York session, so 2.5 hours before New York starts, it's when I go live. And then Pasha stream starts and we trade through New York session on the same channel, everything. Like it's 9 hours of live stream continuously every single day. It starts at 7 a.m. New York time. You always lose in Asia and recover on New York session. 1/2. Yeah, me too. Like sometimes I lose on Asia, sometimes I make money. Like it's not very consistent. Are you a prop firm trader? Yeah, I'm trading prop firms mostly. Yeah, but Zikr trading, we are here like every day, not 9 hours straight. 7 a.m. New York time is usually when we start, and we go on the whole day.
Look like we got some interesting moving.
Yeah. Kinda. Like if you get a nice continuation on the next candle, would be even better. ES looks like it's more inclined to break, but yeah. Want to join a prop firm to open your account? Any recommendation? Yeah, anyone, like any one of the ones you see like right here, Funded Next, TPT, Take Profit Trader, you know, Apex, any one of those are good. my funded futures. Like try to get like a 50K account. Read all the rules, try to learn the rules of the prop firms, you know. It's like you will save more money than trying to trade cash accounts for sure. Do you live off trading or not yet? Yeah, I've been full-time trading since 2018, brother. Almost what? Yeah, 8 years now on full-time trading. How low can you go? How low can you go? On what, bro? Okay, thanks. No problem. Yeah, remember to use
drawdown.
Yeah, I don't know what is meaning. What he means.
Drawdown. Prop firms, no?
Yeah, I'll not try to guess what he's saying, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you're going to buy account studio, remember to use code Pasha to get the discounts. NASDAQ waterfall, how low can you go? I guess you're talking about NASDAQ. If NASDAQ drops, probably back to 30K. Like we have at least like 200 points to go down. On the daily chart, I talked about that earlier. If we start dropping on the daily chart, we probably go to the 9 EMA at some point, and that's like 400 points to the downside. But depends what it's trying to do. Você fez lanche? Esse é meu? Daqui a pouquinho eu vou lá. Bom, obrigado. Can't wait to get there. Yeah, bro, like try to plan your life around that goal. Save money. And if you're trading good, that's the main thing. If you're trading good and making money, like that's the one thing that you need to go full-time trading. But I always recommend you save money. A lot of money if you can. And it's like you don't need to be a full-time trader. Like we had like Killer's Luck, for example, like he makes like hundreds of thousands a month on trading, and he still works, you know. He's probably have like a very high-end job, probably, but he still works.
I think he works as a hobby.
Yeah, maybe like he don't trade as a hobby. Like his hobby is actually the work, you know. What?
Like he do so much money, so he like get bored.
Yeah.
Because he don't need to work, and so he work as a hobby.
Yeah. Like it's nice. What country are you trading from? Brazil. Really squeeze that 210 and take me out, and I will guarantee that this trade won't close in the red at least.
I wanna see a continuation because it looked like we break the mini wedge.
You're going on a vacation for 4 months? Yeah, you probably should wait. Like, what type of vacation takes like 4 months, bro? Are you a millionaire or something? I feel like my analysis is stopped, but your patient is wrong. And mentality. Yeah, like that's the main difficulty. Like you can learn how to be like a good analyst, like a price action, like can understand what the price is doing. But to actually make money of what you're seeing and analyzing the market and in the charts, like that's the difficult part. Translating like chart analysis capability to profit. Like that's the most difficult thing. Like that's the trickiest part. That's the tricky part, you know. What you say, Fima?
I said I want to see a continuation because it's breaking the wedge to the up. So I have a believing that it's gonna squeeze up.
Okay. Yeah, I got out of the second micro. I'm just holding this. I'll probably trail this bar by bar right now. I don't want to see like this going all the way back. If it goes back to 96, I'm out. Basically, it's a 10 point. Like it either breaks and continues or it takes me out. I don't want to be in this trade through Japan Open. Go to a few countries and be back after the new year. Okay, bro. Like your life is settled then. Like you, like I don't know. I don't even know why you're trying to trade, bro. If you're able to do that, yes, it's going crazy. Kinda. Yeah, already putting the stop at 203. I don't want to see this candle coming back at all. Like if it's going to go, just go, bro. I'm not accepting this to come back anymore. Here's the push. Oh yeah. My first target was 225. Maybe I get out there. Like let's see if I can get the 225 exit. Like it's very close. Another 10 points. Would be like a 35 pointer overall. Let's see if we can get that. Yes is, yeah, yes is breaking out. Let's see if we can see another squeeze on NQ. To you retired, been trading since 2020 and love trading just to kill time. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, so enjoy life, man. And when you come back, remember to come in the channel and share with us that you're back. And we can help you with prop firms. If you want.
Leo, I sended my plan if you're interested.
Okay. First target, second target. Okay. Oh, I see that that break that we were talking about.
Yeah, and the red one is order block.
Ah, okay.
Like kind of order block on the 1 minute.
Okay.
I think I'll be happy with my 200 of profit and don't expect too much. I'll just take it because I'm 5 micros.
Sure. Thanks. Thank you, my friend. Like you're welcome to join anytime, and please share with us in the chat whenever you can, bro. Like I hope your trip is good. 4 months, awesome. You deserve it.
How you can travel for months with like you need some things to have, or like how to explain myself, like you just get a bag and like clothes, and like you can't buy nothing, and like how you do this?
If you have money, everything you can sort it out, everything, bro. Money solves everything. Every problem you can think about, you just need money to solve them. You just buy new clothes.
No. I mean, like you get a bag, okay?
Okay.
Like you got like I don't know 40 liters in the bag. Like you get some clothes, you get some things, and blah blah blah, and like you can't buy like you just live in the hotel and like I don't know. I don't know how to explain. No, never mind. I just can't explain it.
Okay, like you can travel for like however long you want. Like there's I don't like just need money to do it, basically.
Like from my experience, I also travel a lot. Like when I travel like maximum for a week. I just give small bag, like school bag, just put some clothes, like other things.
Yeah,
Like
no, you take like a actual like a travel bag, you know. Like if you're going for more time, you take like a I don't know how it's in English, but like travel bags.
so what I mean is like you can like 7 days like survive with only bag.
Oh,
Like you have
TP.
some.
Go ahead.
Oh, nice. Like you can have some t-shirts, blah blah blah, and you can like buy in like 7-Eleven, like you know what you have in that country. But is it like if you need meds and other stuff, like it's not making some problems like to stay a lot of time, like be a traveler?
Oh, you plan for those things, you know. You gotta plan. There you go. Good trade. Well, good. Bro, I hold this long for like almost 2 hours by now. Like 1.5 hours for sure. I started longing like at 10, like right here. Got out at 225 was the first target, so might as well just take it. I don't want to hold trades through Japan opening. Yeah, but like when you travel, like you gotta, if you're going for a 4 month trip, you plan for it, you know. You just like plan for it, you know. Like you're going to this country, this country, this country. Like if you need meds, you take it with you, like however much you need. If something happens to you and you need doctors, you like when we travel, we always pay like for insurance. Like so whatever country I'm in, I can have like doctors, you know. I just like call the insurance and they like point me to the closest doctor, all paid for, you know.
Okay. I just like interesting what's the difference in your bag that you take from long term and short term. Like what you add to the long term traveling.
Bro, a bunch of like underwear, basically.
No, underwear it's yeah, it's like basics, but like some special things, no, or like. I don't know how to explain myself.
Another 22 points, okay. A bunch of money. Yeah, money is the one thing, bro. Like whatever problem you're thinking about, money solves them, basically. You can travel like with a toothbrush and nothing on you. If you have money, you will figure out. Not like, I'm not saying like to be rich. It's just like if you have like a decent amount of money to travel, you figure out. Like when I travel like for more than like, I don't know, like like if you're going like for a 2 days vacation, you take like 2 t-shirts. If you're going like for 20, you take 10 t-shirts. It's just that, you know. Basically that.
Or you just can take 5 and just shower them.
Yeah, you can tend to, yeah. If you take 5, you do laundry on them. If you buy stuff, you need one more bag, so you buy another bag. It's just like that, my bro. And how's the planes flying in Israel, brother? They are quiet?
Oh, yes, but when something has happened, like, you know, Iran attacks or something like that, they just close it like for 1 day or just delay some flights. It's like it's a normal thing.
No, I asked because like I think on last week you said there was a lot of helicopters and planes flying over.
Jet planes. Yeah, they fly like more than often, but I don't know. Maybe it's like training or something. Like I don't know. I think that the Orlando thing that you want to do, like, I think if I get enough money to fly to Orlando, the date is also close to the New Year and Christmas and like stuff like that, and I think like maybe I can go to Argentina to my friends. So I never was like more than 2 weeks in a traveling.
Okay.
Like, so I like think about like what do I need? Like we got some that's not a tradition. Hobby. Not, I don't know how to explain. Just to buy things from my country, bring it to the other country, and like, what am I gonna do? Like I'm fly from Israel to America, from America to like Argentina, and I want like it's like hard management.
When you sign up with a prop firm, they roll dive you in the trading platform. They provide you a trading platform for free. No, you provide, like, you get like a login information. So like, let's say if you buy an account and you select like Tradeovate when you're buying the account, you will get like a login information on your dashboard for you to log in into Tradeovate, for example, or Ninja Trader if you want. Like, it's the same login for Tradeovate and Ninja Trader. For some prop firms, you can even like log in, connect TradingView through Tradeovate and trade on TradingView if you prefer. But yeah, when you buy an account, you get for free like a login information that lets you connect to a trading platform. Oh, hello, Trading Pennies. I didn't. I don't know if I answered you.
Yo, Leo, you was like not much time ago in America, I hear, no?
Yeah.
What you buy things, American things that you take to your country?
Oh, what do I
Like,
buy?
yeah.
Sometimes I buy some clothes, some like winter clothes I bought. I bought Sour Patch. I love Sour Patch, so I always bring back Sour Patch.
What's Sour Patch?
Sour Patch is like these gummies. They're a little bit like acid
Oh,
gummies.
oh.
Not like LSD acid. It's like, I don't know
Yeah,
how to
yeah,
say,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
citrus, like citrus gummies.
Yes,
Citric.
yes, like, yeah, yeah. No, I mean like like uh, bruh, like 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 American things that you can't buy in like Brazil or something like
Oh
that.
yeah, like
Special.
there is some like, yeah, there's nothing much there I cannot buy in Brazil. It's just that some things in America are way cheaper, so that's why I buy them there. So like winter clothes in the US, especially like Orlando or at some outlet or something, like it's way cheaper than Brazil. So let's say if I want a watch, I will probably wait to buy a new watch in Orlando. My wife always buy like some, like those luxury bag, like woman bags, like brand bags, she waits to buy there. So like, there's nothing much that you buy in the US that you don't have in Brazil. It's just like in the US, it's like much cheaper for us to buy.
Okay, I get you. I mean, like more. Imagine you have a family.
Okay.
You have family, like you want to buy some presents for family, and like, oh, this is American things, and this is like have only in America, and like, what you can buy them that they gonna feel like, oh, it's American things, like, like i- for example, like every people that go to Israel, they buy halva, they buy the, I don't know how to say that, things that grow in the trees. They buy the Jerusalem things. They like, see, they
Oh,
have some special.
local culture souvenirs. You know, that's what you're saying.
Yes, also food that you can like find only in Israel. So like, what you do in America, like,
Bro, they're
like
like I
when you
said,
fly.
like culturally, there's nothing like specific you can buy in America that like if you buy like American flag or like a magnet to your like for someone's basically like when I went to New York, I bought like a um you know what
New.
is the name? I bought like some souvenirs that from New York, you know. That's it.
Yeah,
Like I
yeah.
don't bring like there's not like I know like Israel there's a lot of cultural things that you buy.
Yeah, I'm agree with the chat.
Guns ammo, yeah, guns like that would be one good thing. You know one thing that a lot of people like in Brazil right now? Like it's the Bass Pro Shops hat. Like no joke. Like that's one of like if you have a Bass Pro Shops hat in Brazil, like you
What's
either
that?
went to the USA or someone brought you that, you know? Like that would be like one thing that like if you are wearing a Bass Pro Shops hat in Brazil, you either went to the USA or someone brought you. So that's it. Like that would be like one thing.
Wait. What shops you said?
Yeah, Bass Pro Shops, bro. Like just Google it.
Best Pro
Bass Pro
shops.
Shop rules. Yeah, no brainer, no joke. Like when I was in Orlando, like I went with my wife to Bass Pro Shops, I think 2 times just to walk around and see things. Yeah, because Brazil like has a lot of fishing in Brazil, a lot of like hunting, a lot of country stuff in Brazil, and they know like the Bass Pro Shop stores, and like we don't have anything like that in Brazil. So whenever someone that likes that goes to the USA, they always go to Bass Pro Shops. And that bro, and no joke, that $5 hat, people buy those to sell in Brazil. Like they buy for like $5 and they sell in Brazil for 40, $50. No joke. Bro, Walmart, like
You know?
people go to a Walmart just to hang around at Walmart, like just to see things, you know.
Yeah, it's like the flying tiger shops. I don't know if you have. Maybe you heard.
Oh, I
Just a
know.
shop like with America, with the like Chinese or like some stuff that you not actually need in your house, but it's just interesting to watch that, and it like cost nothing. Like you have a case for banana.
Huh.
Like you don't need it, but it's like it's interesting just to walk at the shop and watch this. Ah, and by the way, why I'm asking that about America, the souvenirs, like if you go to Argentina, you got the Fernet drink, you got some like their food, and like you can buy something and say like it's like from Argentina, and like,
Yeah.
but
As there are some things that
America.
are culturally from Like in the US, I would probably like buy like a hot dog and put it in the bag and bring it for someone. Like, but that makes no sense. Or buy like I don't know, a taco or something. Like, yeah, bro. Look, mom, I brought you a taco from Taco Bell, basically. Yeah, it doesn't work much. But yeah, like Marina said, like a lot of people like buy makeup, but it's not because there's the same makeup in Brazil, but it's just like way more expensive, you know.
Yeah, makeup you can also buy in Europe, like.
But there's some specific brands that you probably only find there or something like that, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the US,
Like
the main thing is that it's like usually whatever you can buy there, it's like way cheaper.
the only two things that like came to my mind, it's buy or sombrero hat or buy the cowboy
Yeah,
hat
but like sombrero
cap.
is from Mexico, bro.
Yes, but it's
But it's
yeah.
no, like if you go to Texas, you buy like a buckle or like a cowboy boots or something like that. But like what am I going to do like with a cowboy boots in my house, bro? Like with like I buy like 5 packs of Sour Patch. I make my wife crazy because of that, and that's it, you know.
What's sour patch? Ah, yeah, you said, yeah.
Get a MAGA hat. Oh, my grandfather would love a MAGA hat. He would love a MAGA hat for sure. I'll buy him next. There's some good American branded clothing. Yeah, there's basically a lot of things that sells in the US also sells in Brazil. The only difference is that in Brazil it's way more expensive. Way more expensive. Like for you guys to understand, you know, like uh Columbia, the brand Columbia for the Americans in the house, like the brand, outdoor brand. In Brazil, if it's basically like a luxury brand in Brazil because it's
What about the North Face?
even more luxurious because it's 10 times more expensive in Brazil.
It's like because it's import or because like
Yeah, it's
sanctions or something?
because of import like you have to import, you have taxes and you have the cost of selling in Brazil, and like there's a bunch of things that makes like, let's see, like I bought like a North Face jacket in New York. The same one in Brazil is like 6 or 7 times more expensive. It's just like that. No jokes, 6 or 7 times more expensive. Even in the US, the North Face, it's considered fancy. Yeah, I guess it's not like cheap clothes, but like in Brazil, it's like it's luxury basically.
In America, you have that like black jacket with I think it called something goose or something like that. Like rappers like to wear it.
I don't know that one. I don't know. Like it's too many brands,
I, I'll search. I'll search.
bro. That Patagonia vest that like New York people use, like that one is the bomb in Brazil, bro. Like if you're wearing a Patagonia vest and you work on finance, like it's kind of a statement that you like at least you travel once in your life, you know. 'Cause I think Patagonia doesn't sell in Brazil. That's
I think it's called Canadian Goose Jack, something like that. Patagonia, you said? Let me search.
Grey Goose. Grey Goose is a beverage. Canada Goose,
No,
yeah.
Canada Goose. Yeah,
Okay.
like rappers like to wear it.
Lululemon. Aloe, yeah, aloe is the like aloe was a hype in Brazil also, like a few months ago. Like to this day, like it's a hype. But yeah, it's like if it's things, it is things that like it's very very expensive in Brazil. I'm not saying that it's not expensive in the US, but like in Brazil it's like 5 times more expensive, 10 times more expensive. Like, and when you travel, like you just buy it. Like I want to buy a watch. Like, uh, I will probably wait to go to Orlando to buy it. I'll try to buy it at some store, get delivered to me or something, because it's like it's way cheaper. It's way cheaper. We have volume, but zero price action. Ah, bro, I don't even think we have volume. Like, look at this. Like, it's dead actually.
Yeah,
It
it's
is
just like
dead.
choppy. On the 1 minute it looked funnier.
Some jewelries, yeah. Also, yeah, that would be like some. It's cheaper.
Yeah, but like jewelries and clothes, it's like more about modes and like I don't know, like make like I don't know, like if I want to buy something for my parents, like they don't, they don't know brands and something like that.
Oh yeah, yeah. Like yeah, I'm saying more the things that you buy for yourself. Like to buy for
Yeah.
to like as a gift to someone when you travel. Bro, I just buy like a magnet to put on like on the, the fridge or something.
Okay.
My mother-in-law when she went to Israel, she brought us like pashmina it's called in Brazil. I don't know if what it's called like in what that would be in English, but it's like let me see if I can find it.
Oh, it's like a cloth.
Yeah, yeah. So you put it around her neck.
Yeah.
Pashmina it would be like she brought a lot of that.
The funny thing that my mom wants something like that, so we fly to Poland and try to find it in Poland, like so it was like legit, but I don't find in Poland, and we don't have this also in Israel, like a normal. It's like more synthetic and stuff like that.
Oh yeah. American flag souvenirs and American snacks. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Like, yeah, a bunch of people buy some like because in the US you have a lot of snacks or like um sweets that like it's big, you know. So you don't sell those in Brazil like so you buy those like big bags of snacks, you know, or sweets more than snacks.
The
Yeah, but the US is
this
unmatched. Like there's no like when you go and you travel there, like you understand why is the number one country in the world, bro. Can you have guns in Brazil? Yes, you can, but like it's very hard and expensive to get it. Like you have to go through a lot of tests. A lot of tests. Like you have to go to a psychiatrist. You have to be a psychiatrist has to like give you a okay for you to be able to buy guns. You have to go through the process with like the federal police. You have to be able to shoot. So you have to do training to be able to shoot properly. You pay a bunch of taxes and like a Glock, like a normal Glock in Brazil would probably cost like $4,000 just a Glock. Like it would probably
yeah,
cost like $4,000.
but this is the legally way.
Yeah, the legal way. Yeah, if you like, that's the legal way to do it. If you want to buy like an illegal gun, like in 15 minutes you can get one.
Same stuff in here.
Yeah, if you want an illegal gun, you probably can find one in 15 minutes. But if you want to do the legal way, like it takes like a month, 2 months, 3 months process. But I don't know, like it shouldn't be that expensive. But I for you to be able to have like a proper training to hold and manage a gun, and also go through like a real psychiatrist that like goes through your like to understand and see if you're a person that like it's okay to have a gun. I don't see a problem in that. Like I think in the US you guys should do the same thing. I'm not saying that it should be difficult. It's just like you're going to buy your first gun, like do a 2 days training just to learn how to manage a gun, and go to a psychiatrist for him to see if you're okay, and that's it, and you can buy a gun, you know. That's the way I see it. But I know that in the US it's a great divide, you know, of people like the way it is right now, and people that wish that guns were not sold easily like that. But I think the population should be armed. Like it's way better with the population armed than unarmed. Like there's not even a question.
Do you like watch that not criminal, that detective videos, like from body cams on cops?
Not much.
How to say this?
I've seen some
right?
videos.
Like
When,
you got like a TV show on YouTube about that? True crime? Yeah, true crime.
yeah.
Like I'm sometimes watch this and like like people tells how they get a gun, or like it's like how literally someone can sell a gun for like that human. Like it's like it's very strange stories. Like it's need to
Yeah,
be
in the
controlled.
US it's crazy. Like you go into like Walmart and you buy like an AR-15. Like that's like in my head makes no sense. But like it's better to be that way to than to not be able to buy at all. You know.
Yeah, but like
Can't anymore?
maybe a
Yeah,
little
okay.
bit control. Like basic, like some psychiatrist, psycholog, something like to check if you, I don't know, not gonna harm yourself or harm whatever, like other people.
Yeah, I don't know, like at least I don't know what's the actual answer to that is, but I would prefer that it should be easier to buy guns than what it is in Brazil. Like in Brazil, it's to legally own a gun, it's expensive, it's not easy to get one. Like I said, bro, like how much a Glock costs is in the US. Someone in the chat probably knows that. I'm telling you, in Brazil, at least $4,000 to
What
buy a
about the
Glock, bro.
punishments? What about the punishments in Brazil?
And that
Like,
$4,000 is it's not even like the psychiatry test, the training, the ammo. Ammunition is so expensive. You guys don't even understand how expensive it is. Like it's so expensive. Ammunition.
what about the punishments? Like, is they hard?
Punishment. Yeah, you can lose like easily like your capability to have guns. Like if you mismanage what you're doing, like you cannot, like let's say for you to, like you cannot, let's say if you have a house if you have a gun in your house and you're going to get that gun from your house to a training ground, like you have to go into a system and make traveling information that you're going to take your gun from your house to the training place. And if you're like on the street with your gun in your car and you get pulled over and you didn't do that, like you get in trouble, like you don't go, like you're not going to get arrested or something. Like if If it's not a, you know.
I mean more like if you illegally have a gun and like they caught you, like what's
Yeah,
the
it's a
consequences?
you get arrested.
Yeah, but jail, like how many years? So it's like a lot of years, so like
Like you
it's
get
like
arrested, you call a
measured,
lawyer, and you're out, bro. You get in Brazil, nobody goes to jail for real things.
bruh. Oh,
That's a whole
okay.
nother conversation, but about like punishment. There's no real punishment in Brazil. The clone is your favorite one? Yeah, nice. Lucas and Jari. Where are you from, Marina? Yeah, we have a bunch of like soap operas that are famous around the world. Yeah, I watched The Clone too.
What you said, it's about more corruption thing, or like just because nobody wants problems, so like they not take you to the jail, that they don't need to fill the papers and blah blah blah.
Bro, that's so hard to explain, but like basically for you to actually do jail time, if you're a normal citizen, if you're a normal citizen, there is not like robbing something at point blank, or if you didn't kill someone, for it to be like, let's say if you're illegally carrying a gun and you're never arrested before, like you call a lawyer and you out that's the same day, you know.
So like if you don't do problems, so like you okay. If you do problems, they gonna get you some problems.
Yeah,
Like just to be peaceful and everything gonna be okay. Uh,
something like that. Oh, you're from Russia,
like
Marina? Okay. Tropicana too.
by the way, like if in Russia if you get a gun, or if even you get some like bad substances, like you're gonna straight to the jail to like 7, 10 years easily. So it's like interesting.
Yeah.
In Israel, if it's substances, you can do that with lawyer. You get some punishment, like easy punishment. But if that with guns, and like it's a heavy punishment.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Guys, I think I'm calling a day. I'm going to eat, stay with the wife a little bit, and I'll be back tomorrow in pre-market show. We caught a nice long at least. It worked out. Got out at 225. We went to 228, so perfect exit. You know, no brainer. Snagged a
Gonna
nice
hit it.
150. Okay. See you tomorrow, my friend. Tima Trader, see you guys. Remember to like the
See ya.
stream. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Pre-market show, 7 a.m. New York time. We're back and we go through the whole day until New York closes. Fima, thank you, my friend. I'll see you tomorrow as well. Popping off. Maxa, thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. Yeah, remember to hit the like on the way out. Remember to subscribe to the stream. And we back tomorrow, 7 a.m., my friends. Not much action today, but we caught a nice long. Was the right decision. So, my friends, take care. Have a nice sleep. Recover. We will be back tomorrow for a pre-market show, okay? See you guys. Take care. Have a nice rest of your Sunday. God bless.